Nikko is such a peaceful and historic place nestled in mountains in Tochigi Prefecture. Just 2 hours north of Tokyo by train, you will find national forests, waterfalls, important World Heritage sites, and natural hot springs. Nikko is beautiful in any season, but my favorite season to visit here is autumn for leaf peeping. In late October, Nikko shows fabulous autumn color palettes before the trees put themselves to bed for the long sleep of winter. I think nothing quite captures the essence of autumn quite like the colors. Warm and earthy colors make me so happy. It's amazing to see the reds, oranges, and the yellows of the changing leaves. Nikko, especially around Lake Chūzenji-ko, is a great place to enjoy their beautiful autumn colors and also some of the most beautiful waterfalls. Lake Chūzenji-ko is surrounded by a mountain range over 2,000 meters, with a small hot spring town called Chūzenji-ko Onsen. At nearly 2,500 meters, Mount Nantai-san, Nikko's sacred active volcano, is the most prominent feature in the area around the lake. Lake Chūzenji-ko was created by the volcanic eruption of Mount Nantai-san more than 20,000 years ago. Thanks to that, we can enjoy amazing hot springs today. Around the lake, there are plenty of scenic overlooks to stretch your legs, smell the fresh mountain air, and take in the views. To get to Lake Chūzenji-ko, you need to take a bus from Nikko Station. The bus will climb up the steep and extremely winding Irohazaka that leads up to the lake. The slope covers a height difference of 400 meters in the span of just a few kilometers. It's such a fun ride, only if you don't get carsick. And watch out for cute but sneaky monkeys. They are always trying to steal your snacks. Get off the bus at the Akechidaira Ropeway stop for a mind-blowing aerial shot. The cable car will take you up to the Akechidaira peak, and the one-way trip takes only a couple of minutes. From up here, you get an incredible view of the landscape with Kegon Waterfalls in center and Mount Nantai-san in the background. Kegon Falls is one of the most impressive waterfalls in Japan. Here you can see water from Lake Chūzenji-ko falls nearly 100 meters straight down to the rocks below. The view is absolutely beautiful. Nikko was long a center of Shinto and Buddhist mountain worship, and as a result, many important Buddhist temples and Shinto shrines are located here. Situated at the foot of Mount Nantai-san on the shore of Lake Chūzenji-ko, here you will find one of the 3 shrines of Nikko Futarasan Shrine. There are 2 more Futarasan shrines. One stands at the summit of Mount Nantai-san, and the other near Nikko Station. Founded in 767 AD by the Buddhist monk who introduced Buddhism to Nikko, Futarasan Shrine is dedicated to the deities of Nikko's 3 most sacred mountains, Mount Nantai-san, Mount Nyoho-san, and Mount Taro-san. They are supposed to be family. A lot of hikers climb Mount Nantaisan, and the trail up the mountain starts within the Futarasan Shrine at the base of the mountain. This is the starting point. It looks like you are going into a different world. Perhaps more famous than the lake itself is Kegon Waterfalls. It's a 7-meter wide waterfall with a 97-meter drop that takes the overflow water out of Lake Chūzenji-ko. It's a site absolutely worth visiting all by itself. There are 2 viewing platforms. One you can get a bird's eye view of the falls, and another one at the bottom of the falls. I took the 100-meter deep elevator down to the lower platform to take in its impossible landscape from the base of the falls. Just magic listening to the sound of water crashing down and feeling the waterfall spray. My first visit to Kegon Falls was on a field trip in elementary school, just like them. It's considered to be one of the 3 most beautiful waterfalls in Japan. For a unique perspective, visit in winter. It's a wall of blue frozen ice. Visitors have flocked to Nikko for a century, and once you're there, it's easy to see why many travelers fall in love with the natural attractions of Nikko. There are so many more beautiful places and things to do in Nikko, so I'm gonna share that with you next time. See you then!